I don't know.
Yours is like to Bucky's you moved to. Where'd you move it to? Brett. Stop recording me now. Where's my car? Where did y'all put it?
Derek took it home, I bet. Do you have your keys?
Did Derek take my car home?
I didn't mess with your
Why
car.
are you recording?
Because it's funny.
Derek's car's not here. Where's my car? Where's my car?
I didn't mess with your
Probably
car.
right in front of you. Look out there. Look to the
No,
right.
it's not.
Look to the right.
It's not out there. Where is it? Brett.
I didn't mess with your car.
Where? No, your car isn't out here either.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's got these funny.
You're getting warmer. Maybe that's just because it's hot outside. Hey, it might help if you had your keys. You're getting warmer, but in the wrong direction, kind of. You're warmer. Now you're definitely cold. You were so close.